Have you ever felt like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders? Or wondered why comparing yourself with others makes you angry or jealous, which creates stress? Welcome to Minutes Mastery series by 3T, where we shall discuss the stress bucket, a powerful metaphor used in psychology to explain how we accumulate stress. The stress bucket is your mind as a bucket. Every worry, deadline and pressure adds water. Small annoyances or irritation, a few drops. Big problems like fights or breakups, a whole splash. When the bucket overflows, that's when we experience burnout, anxiety and frustration. It is noteworthy that technology often adds water to the bucket. Constant notifications, endless emails and social media comparisons keep our water level rising. A study by the American Psychological Association found that 86% of people report that they are constantly checking the devices, leading to a higher stress level. Let me ask you a very interesting question at this point. Just as we get stressed, can technology also feel stress? Remember that viral video of a small robot being pushed and bullied by humans? It sparked global debate because even though the robot didn't feel emotions, watching such mistreatment triggered empathy and stress in us humans. This tells us that witnessing perceived injustice, even towards machines, can add to our own stress bucket. It is now important to know how do we keep our stress bucket from overflowing. Number 1. We can do mindful breathing. Take a few minutes daily to focus on your breath, or even when your stress levels are rising and you can see it in your smart watch, deeply breathe. Inhale slowly for 4 counts, hold for 4 more and exhale for 4 counts. This lowers the heart rate and helps the water level go down in the stress bucket. The second thing which you can do is digital detox. Schedule some tech-free zones like no phones at the dinner table or an hour before bed. It reduces overstimulation and gives your mind time to reset. Remember, you have to empty your bucket before you can help others empty theirs. Thanks for watching Minutes Mastery, and don't forget to work on your stress levels because you can cope up with your stress.